I've been testing this out for 2 months and these are my thoughts. Today I'm going to be going over Beardbrand and whether it's overrated or not. You pretty much see it everywhere, but I really wanted to try it out so that I can see whether it's worth the hype. If you guys don't know Jeremy Sayers, you probably should.
I always get these guys that say, "Oh, I don't wash my beard, and beard oil's for sissies. You shouldn't worry about keeping your beard clean. Men don't clean their beards."
So we're going to touch on 3 things really quick, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts. The first thing that we're going to go over is the utility wash. I pretty much use this all the time. I use this as a body wash, I use it as my shampoo, and it works really well. It's also a really refreshing scent. It kind of smells like Scrooge McDuck jumping into pennies under a forest. It kind of smells like jumping into a forest with a lot of money. It kind of smells like counting old money under a forest. I think they nailed it with the name where it says Bold Fortune, because it actually has a very bold scent, but it doesn't punch you in the face. It more just kind of sets the tone of who you are. But more on that in my final thoughts. So with this as a body wash, beard wash, and hair wash or shampoo, it works really, really well. It suds up really well, so it doesn't just like, you feel like you're not really washing your hair. This, you feel like your hair is super clean, your beard's super clean, mustache. It's really, really nice. Okay, number 2 is the utility softener. Now this can really be used for anything. Here's what I use it for. And I use it to condition my hair. So I use it as a conditioner. I use it to condition my mustache, which at the very beginning, I was pretty apprehensive to see if this actually would condition my mustache, because if anyone who grows a mustache or a beard knows, if you have coarse hair, it feels like you're stabbing yourself or your significant other. And that's what I wanted to counteract, was that. And so I've been using this, like I said, for 2 months, and the softener is really, really nice. It's really softened up my mustache and definitely my hair every time I use it. Now the scent is the same exact scent as the utility wash, so you don't really have to worry about smelling like you just walked into the Macy's perfume section and like, what am I smelling here? It's all the same scent and you'll be okay. Utility softener, A+. Okay, let's go on to the last one, and that is probably my favorite of the 3, and that is the utility oil. Now I have it here because I just wanted to show you. It's a really small bottle. It is 4 fluid ounces, but you don't need much. Just a little tiny drop in your hand will easily get your mustache, and it would probably even get the rest. I mean, less than a dime would get probably your full beard. So I use it for my full face. So I shower, I shave, and then I use the utility oil to pretty much use it as like an aftershave to prevent redness and bumps and irritation and dry skin. And then I also use it to condition my mustache throughout the day. And it works really well. You can also use it to condition your hair throughout the day, and that's pretty nice too. It works really good, smells the same, and I would say that the oil probably lasts a little bit longer as far as like the scent goes. And like I said before, it's not like a punch in your face type of scent. This is more of just like an old, refined, almost like you're sipping a glass of whiskey. Talking about Beardbrand, freaking mustache hairs getting in my mouth. But like I said, it's not a punch in the face. It's more, if you walked by someone at the same time, they'd be like, huh, is that guy that I just smelled? Like, man, that's a pretty nice smell. Okay, we made it. What are my final thoughts about Beardbrand? Beardbrand and Jeremy Sayers, I think, knocked it out of the park with this. I was really apprehensive at the beginning. I'm sorry, Beardbrand, sorry, Jeremy, but I was. And I really like it. I didn't think I was going to. I thought I was, because I don't really like things that smell. And I really like it. After I shower, use the utility wash, use the utility softener, and then I use the utility oil. I feel like I should be wearing a $10,000 suit on a multi-million-dollar yacht. But then I realized that I'm wearing a t-shirt and board shorts. So I love this for my daily routine. I utilize this every day now. And I'll probably continue to buy, at the very least, the utility oil so that I can condition my face. I think it does a really good job, and then condition my beard so that it's softer for myself and my significant other. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check out Beardbrand for yourself. You should also check out this video. See you guys over there. Bye. Real talk though, I told my wife I was gonna shave my mustache after this video.